Hello darlings, today I'll be creating a look and sharing my thoughts on the new Daydream Believing collection by Profusion Cosmetics, which is available at Target. The Daydream Believing collection is the fall collection by Profusion and is wrapped in pink and lilac holographic packaging. Today I'll be featuring 5 products from the collection, the first one being the Brows Kit. The Brows Kit is $6.99 and includes a palette, pencil, brush, tweezers, and a setting gel. I'm first defining my brows with the brow pencil, which has a bit of a waxy consistency, so I know my brows will stay in place all day. And then I'm grabbing the dual-ended brush and applying a bit of the powder to the front of my brow and brushing my brows out, and then setting them with the setting gel. Now I'm moving on to eyeshadow and using the Siennas palette, which is $9.99 and includes 21 shades. I'm going to be creating a half cut crease inspired by Mitchell from American Beauty Star. I'm first taking the shade Cozy and packing that into my crease using the Morphe M433 brush. I'm actually really impressed with the quality of Profusion Cosmetics eyeshadows because they're super affordable for how many shadows you get in a palette, and they're also highly pigmented and ultra blendable. I'm now applying the shade Dynasty right above where I applied the shade Cozy to blend it out, and I'm just using a Profusion brush to do this. Profusion actually includes brushes in almost all of their kits, and so I am going to be using a bunch of their brushes today. I'm actually really impressed with the fact that they include brushes in their makeup kits because they're sold at Target, and so that's just a huge plus for the price point, and also the fact that they are high quality and soft as well. I'm now applying the shade Serendipity above where we applied the previous 2 shades to blend them out. I'm then grabbing a clean fluffy blending brush and blending out the area above where we applied Serendipity. I tried to use all affordable products today, so I am cutting my crease with the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer and a Real Techniques Detailer brush. So to cut my crease, I first place the concealer on the center of my lid so that I don't go in with too much product when I'm initially shaping the cut in the crease. Once I've sketched out a half moon shape on my eyelid, I go in with more product and really define the edges of that concealer. I'm then setting the concealer with the shade Polite, and then grabbing my Morphe M508 brush and defining the edge of the concealer some more by darkening it up with the shade Cozy. I'm also packing that dark brown on my outer V and creating a gradient with the shades Dynasty and Serendipity on the outer half of the concealer. I've winged out my eyeliner using the New York Color liquid eyeliner, and now I'm creating a glitter wing above that using some silver eyeliner from Emori Beauty. I've quickly applied my base makeup off camera and am now finishing off my eyes by applying Cozy, Dynasty, and Serendipity to my lower lash line. For my contour and highlight, I'm using the Sculpt and Glow palette, which is $9.99 and includes 6 highlighters and 3 contour shades. I'm using the medium Sculpt shade for my contour and utilizing the brush that comes with the palette for my nose, and then I'm highlighting using the shade Lightning. I'm now using the Blush and Glow palette, which is only $4.99, and applying the shade Marvel for blush. And then it's time to complete the look with lips. I'm using the lip liner and matte lipstick in the shade Secret from the Lips to Go trio. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed my tutorial and review on the Daydream Believing collection by Profusion Cosmetics. You can pick up any of these products at your local Target. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!